Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your address on AliExpress, but first I wanted to mention that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that you have to click on your account, which is at the bottom of the screen at the right corner, and after that you see that setting icon at the top of the screen. So yeah, you have to click on that and you can see that the second option is shipping address. And if you click on the add new address, you have to give the country, the full name, phone number, and after that the shipping address, the street address, apartment, unit, building, floor, city, state, region, province, postal code, zip code, and after that you have to click on the save, and you can select to set as default shipping address. So yeah, this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.